Let's be real for a second. Nobody likes waiting on hold, right? So, are you ready to activate that brand new US Bank debit card right now without wasting a single second listening to hold music? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are skipping the customer service line entirely and getting your card activated securely online in just a matter of minutes. We're going to walk through the whole shebang together, step by step, so you can feel completely confident getting everything set up.
So you just check the mail and boom, there it is. That crisp, brand new US Bank debit card has finally arrived. It usually takes, about 7 to 10 business days after opening your account, so I get that it's an awesome feeling to finally hold it in your hands. But ripping open that envelope is literally just step one. The immediate next step? Getting that card actually activated so you can start making everyday purchases, hitting the ATM, and managing your money. Now sure, there are a few ways you could activate this card, but in this explainer, we're focusing purely on doing it digitally, either online or straight through the mobile app. Why? Because going digital gives you this unbeatable combo of total convenience and top-tier security. You don't wait for an agent, and your personal data is locked down with high-level encryption. It's fast, it's incredibly safe, and it puts you in the driver's seat right from your own device. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our exact roadmap for today. 1. Logging in securely. 2. The step-by-step activation. 3. Setting a secure PIN. 4. Troubleshooting. And 5. A quick security disclaimer. Starting off with Section 1, logging in securely. If you're totally new to digital banking, seriously, don't sweat it. Getting your digital profile up and running is a piece of cake. If you're opening up the US Bank mobile app for the very first time, just look for and select Create a Username and Password. From there, it's just following the prompts to punch in your account number and some basic personal info. And actually, this is a great example of how US Bank puts your security first right out of the gate. The system's going to ask for your mobile number so it can text you a 6-digit verification code. Once you pop that code in, you create your username and password, and just like that, you are logged in and staring at your shiny new account dashboard. Moving on to Section 2. Step-by-step activation. Now that we're securely logged in, it is time for the main event. Let's officially activate this card. Now, you might notice some slight differences in where you need to click based on what device you're using. If you're on a computer browser, just look up at the top of your screen, select Accounts, and then click Manage Cards. But if you're on the mobile app, you want to open the main menu first and then tap Manage Cards. Basically, either way you slice it, Manage Cards is exactly where you want to end up. Once you're inside that Manage Cards menu, just select the specific card you're looking to activate and click the Activate Card button. Now, a quick heads up, if you're doing this on the mobile app, a pop-up is going to ask if you actually have the physical card in your possession yet. US Bank is super clear on this. If you haven't pulled that card out of your mailbox yet, choose Not Now and stop right there. That is absolutely crucial to protect you from any unauthorized funny business. But assuming you are holding the card right now, hit Activate. Then, just type in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and that little CVV security code from the back, and click Activate one last time. Done. Which brings us to Section 3, setting a secure PIN. Because honestly, a secure PIN is your #1 absolute first line of defense. But wait, before you can actually choose or change your PIN digitally, there's a hard rule you really need to know about. You absolutely must have a registered cellular device, so a verified mobile number on file with the bank. The logic here makes total sense. Before the system lets anyone change your PIN, it has to prove you are who you say you are by texting a one-time passcode to your phone. It's just a vital safeguard to make sure that you, and literally only you, are the one making this change. And when you're actually picking your new PIN, US Bank has a few strict parameters you've got to follow. Otherwise, you're just going to get a frustrating error message. Keep these in mind. It has to be exactly 4 digits long. Absolutely no spaces allowed. And to stop anyone from guessing your code on the first try, the system will flat out reject 0000 or 9999. No exceptions. So just pick a unique 4-digit combo that you can easily remember but that a stranger could never guess. The actual process of setting it up is a total breeze. Head right back into that same Manage Cards area we just used. Under the Card Control section, select Manage PIN. Pick the card you're updating and hit Continue. Here's where it'll ask for that one-time passcode they texted to your phone. Punch that in, and once verified, just type your brand new 4-digit number, confirm it, and hit Save PIN. And boom, you're done. Your card is active, and it is locked down tight with your personal code.
Okay, Section 4, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Let's quickly talk about what happens if things don't go exactly to plan.
Imagine this. A couple of weeks go by. You open your wallet at the grocery store and your debit card isn't there. Instant panic, right? Well, take a breath, because US Bank built an amazing feature for this exact moment. Right there in the Manage Cards menu, you can use the Lock/Unlock feature. This lets you instantly freeze your card, basically turning it off while you retrace your steps. If you find it at the bottom of your bag an hour later, sweet, you just tap Unlock and you're good to go. But if it's truly gone, you can use that exact same menu to report it lost or stolen and get a new one sent out. Now, what if you hit a weird tech glitch or you just really need to talk to a human? Keep these numbers handy. For general debit card questions, if you need someone to manually override a PIN or report a lost card over the phone, dial Retail 24-Hour Banking at 800 US Banks. If the website is acting up, online tech support is your best bet at 800-987-7237. And if the mobile app itself is crashing or freezing, call mobile tech support directly at 866-578-8007. Real help is always just a quick phone call away.
Finally, Section 5. Important security disclaimer and wrapping up.
You know how it is with technology and banking. Interfaces update, menus shift around, and security protocols constantly evolve. So while every single step we've covered in this explainer is completely accurate based on the US Bank info available at the time we put this together, you should always double-check things. Verify these details directly on the official US Bank website or by calling their customer service. When it comes to your money, always trust the official source.
And there we have it. Your card is officially active and safely locked down. But honestly, activating your card is just the very first step on your financial journey. Now that you've got the full power of digital banking literally in the palm of your hand, what financial goals are you going to conquer next with these tools? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Stay curious, stay secure, and enjoy all the perks of your new US Bank debit card.